So I recorded this piece of content maybe about a month ago. And in the meantime, the whole situation has changed. So I want to share it with you and update you on my insight. Came across this post and thought it was really interesting to share because a lot of people don't know this. If your Airbnb tenants or Airbnb guests stay longer than 30 days, they technically have the same rights as a tenant in Ontario. So check out the caption and I give you a little bit more information about what the steps might be if you find yourself in a hard time in actually getting these tenants out. So hopefully this helps because there's a lot to think about in real estate and not everyone always thinks about them until you're kind of in a situation that you're finding it hard to get out of. With that being said, let me introduce you to a new article and regulation that just came out. So update to the regulation. This is brand new. This article was June 15th. So relatively new update to what it previously was. So with that being said, especially when things just get rolled out, information and what this all means sometimes is quite vague. So anyone that does have an Airbnb, make sure to do your research because things are kind of moving and shaking in this department. So make sure to educate yourself so you don't find yourself in one of these situations. The article does go so far as to say, although this applies for most people and most Airbnb owners, it's not true right across the board, which makes it very confusing, very vague. And let's face it, if you're running an Airbnb, it's kind of a business. So it makes it a little bit hard to run a business off of vague knowledge. So just make sure to get a good understanding of what you can and cannot do because things are shifting in this department. Okay?